Welcome back. Welcome back. Can you hear me?
Back. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Now, Rudy is again host. Can you share your screen, please?
Yeah.
Can you share your screen? Yes. Go to your project.
You said head.
On bottom. At the bottom, you have project. Go to your project. Hover over at the bottom. I said bottom. Hover over at the bottom.
At the
Move
bottom.
your mouse at the bottom, bottom. Bottom.
Here.
Yeah, more below.
Here.
Okay. Or what you can do, we are not using terminal, you can close the terminal. Yes, close it. Close the terminal.
This one.
Yes.
X.
Terminal.
The whole X. Where's the terminal?
Yes, yes,
This one.
yes. This is your terminal, right?
This one.
Yes,
Oh, wow. You want me to X this?
yes. Okay. Then share your screen again. Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah.
Make it maximize. Okay. Click on files. Not this one. This is not your project. You have to close it. Okay.
X. This one.
Yes. You see, you have your project is open. Can you see? Make it maximize. Make the screen maximize so that we can see your whole screen. Yes, now we can see. Check out get started. Just cross out. Okay, click on the two files. You see there are files, yeah. You see your project is not here. So this is not your project. Go bottom. Go bottom, bottom, not there. On the right bottom, hover over so that we can see your folders. We
Here.
cannot see. We cannot see. Okay, you close this. Close this. Yes, just close it. Okay. Actually, it's not allowing us to see your whole screen. So at the bottom, whatever you have, we cannot see. Yes, now we can see. You see, there is Visual Studio Code at the bottom, not on the top. Yes, this one. Something wrong. Okay, what we can do, we can go to open. Click on open. Okay. And we can bring back your website. Yes. First, select your website, not HTML. Hold yes, then open. You see, it is there. Okay, now listen very carefully. You can make the screen little larger. How? You can drag the left edge, left, not right. I said left, not this one. No, no, little right. Yes, little right. Yes, little right. Yes. Drag it. Yes. Not full. Keep little. Yes. Keep little so that we can see your project also. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. Now, and what you can do now, listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. You have tag H1. Can you see H1?
Here.
Okay. And you have also tag H2, right? Okay. So these are tag. So before you style something, you have to select the tag. Okay. So we are selecting H1 and H2, meaning we are targeting H1 and H2 to style. Okay, we want to style H1 tag and H2 tag, meaning whatever content inside the H1 and H2, we are going to style.
Okay.
You understand me? Okay, go to style.css. Style.css. Okay, we can click here and we have on the top, always best practice is to click on the top. Okay, now go out of the scope HTML. Scope meaning curly braces. Remember, in Java we learned scope. I say out of the scope, meaning yes, press enter. Another space. Not two, just one. Okay, fine. H1, just type H1, comma, space, H2. Okay, space, curly braces. Enter. Okay, now what we are doing here, we select H1 and H2 and put curly braces, meaning we are targeting H1 tag and H2 tag because we want to style whatever we have inside H1 tag and H2 tag. You understand me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can say no. What you want to do? You want to color, just type color. Okay, enter. This color means you want to put a color to H1 and H2, meaning color of the text. Okay,
Yeah.
the text for H1 and H2, we are going to choose, it can be, say for example, blue, say for example, okay, or violet, it can be violet. You see, violet. Okay, press enter. Now go and check your website, where it is. HTML, yeah, index.html, right button click. You see,
Mhm.
your headline become violet
Yeah, H1 and H2.
because you wanted it to be violet, right?
Yeah,
Is it interesting?
yeah.
Yeah,
Make
play, yeah,
website.
play with it another hour tomorrow. Okay, play with it, just play. Actually, we are creating out of nothing. These are very creative. The more you play, the more you will be creative. This is the job of the software engineers. We are not software engineers. We are software development engineer in test.
Yeah.
We will test whether these web pages are being built properly. And we find out the bugs, defects, errors, whatever the engineers, software developers make mistake, we will find them out and tell them, hey, there is a bug, there is an error. You are not building the website correctly. Do it. Okay. We can find out the bugs without understanding all these things. But if you understand how does it builds, you become more expert than the engineers and tell them very quickly what to do. You can report well. You understand me?
Mhm.
Again, I'm telling you the truth. Nobody will teach you all this stuff. Okay? Udorica will not teach you. Intellipaat will not teach you. Agile Tech will not teach you. And some other schools. They will just teach you how to find out the elements, how to execute it, all these things. That's enough, but to stand out, to become more expert, to become more marketable, better to know each and everything. Okay, you will become more confident. You know how these are being built. Okay, so it takes only 1 to 2 weeks to learn all these things. So I will recommend you to play with this. Okay, and next class we will practice more. Okay, I will show you more how we can put YouTube video on our website, how we can put pictures on our website. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
and if you don't have any question, that's all for tonight. If you have any question, please feel free to ask anything from our today's class.
All right. Good night. Thank you so much.
Good night. I think the
Good
only way we can
night.
learn is by the way we're practicing now,
Yeah,
actually doing it. Then it make correction when we make mistakes. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Mm,
So
yeah.
tomorrow, Ignatius is joining the class. Rudy also
Yes.
can join. And we have another guy from, I think he is from California.
Okay.
He's joining for the first time.
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow will be only, he will be here with me, or 2 more days, then he will be separated. And you guys also, I'm giving you 4 days. You are joining with Ignatius, and Ignatius also joining with Rudy.
Hmm.
At the very beginning, I'm giving you 4 days to join together so that you can practice more. I know you don't have time to practice a lot at home, but we can practice together. And once you know the basic, you can go separately, practice separately, attend the classes separately, and can have more time to practice. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'll send you this video so that you can watch it again and practice. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very
And
much.
yeah, thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you.
a good night.
Bye.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, Nation.
Good night.
Ruby, good night.
Good night.
Night.